A very good morning to all my dear students. So today we will continue with our addition and subtraction of fractions. But this time, as I told you, we are doing the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay, so in exercise 7.6, I told you in the online class that you all have to do the simple word problems, that is question number 2 and 3. So we'll continue, we'll proceed further by question number 4, which is you have to fill the blanks. So this is the box, empty box. You have to fill this. Minus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. If you remember, we have done these kind of sums with like fractions also. Okay, so this is also the same, just unlike fractions are there now. So what you have to do, you have to shift this minus 5 by 8 to right hand side. And you know when it will change the side, the sign will become opposite. So if it is minus 5 by 8, it will become plus 5 by 8 upon RHS, on RHS. So box is equal to 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8. Now you just have to simply solve this. Okay, so LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So this second fraction 5 by 8 will remain as it is. And this first fraction, which was 1 upon 4, it will become 4 into 2, 1 into 2, which is 2 by 8. And then you will add these two. Now you can see this is 2 by 8, this is 5 by 8. So both of them have become the like fractions. So 5 plus 2 will give you 7 by 8. So the answer is 7 by 8. Okay. Then similarly, the second one is homework for you. Third one I'm doing, in which you have to, this time you have to shift the box. Because box के पहले minus sign है, so you can just shift the box to RHS so that it will become positive. So minus this box will become plus of the box, और जो यहाँ का 1/6 है, it will go to LHS. And since it was plus 1 by 6, when it will change the side, it will become minus 1/6. Now you have the question as 1/2 minus 1/6. Okay, so you have to solve this. Now LCM of 2 and 6 is 6 only. Okay, so 2 will become into 3 and numerator also into 3. So it will become 3/6 minus 1/6, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So the value of box is 2 by 6. But don't forget to write it in the simplest form, which is 1/3, because 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So the answer is 1/3. So I hope all of you have understood. So the remaining parts of this question you will do. Now we'll see the next question. Now you can see the fifth question is very interesting, where you are given a box. In the box I have written the values with black pen. These are the questions: 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Only these 4 values were given to you. Okay, and you have to fill the box. Addition and subtraction box is this. So this way you have to do addition, and downwards, that means vertically, this is called vertically. So vertically you have to do subtraction, and horizontally you have to do addition. Okay, so one by one I'll just do it. First part is for homework, because that is simple one of like fractions. This was of unlike fractions, so I'm doing this. Okay, so the first one you have to write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. क्योंकि यहाँ पर प्लस साइन है, तो आप जब तिरछा जाएंगे you have to add them. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, and this is just the addition of unlike fractions. So I'm not writing the steps over here. Okay, so 3 and 2 LCM is 6. So you know what to do. 2 into 3 into 3. So 1 into 3 will become 3, and 1 into 2, because 3 को जब 2 से multiply करेंगे, then you can, or you can do one thing. You can just cross multiply them. This is also correct. Okay, 3 2s are 6, denominator में आ गया 3 plus 2. So whatever way is comfortable for you, you can just simplify it. So the answer is 5 by 6. So it will come 5 by 6. Similarly, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Now LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 3 4s are 12, so numerator में भी 4 आ जाएगा, and 4 3s are 12, so 1 into 3 is 3. So 4 plus 3 will give you 7. So the answer is 7/12, which I have written over here. Now though additions we have done, now we have to do the subtraction part, vertical. This is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, LCM is again 6. Okay, so it will become 3/6 minus 2/6, which will give you 1/6. Okay, and similarly the second one, vertical operation, is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, which is 3 4s are, so 4 1s are 4, and 4 3s are, so 3 1s are 3. So 4 by 12 minus 3 by 12. So 4 by 12 minus 3 by 12 will give you 1 by 12. Okay, 1 upon 12. Then this is the main operations which we have done. I have written with a green pen. Now this you have to do. You have two options. Either you can subtract these two and write the answer, or you can add these two or subtract these two. So what I'm doing, I'm just adding. Okay, addition is more important, more easy. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. You can see over here 1 by 6 plus 1 upon 12. Now LCM of 6 and 12 is 12. So 6 2s are 12. तो ऊपर भी आप 2 से multiply करेंगे. It will become 1 into 2. So the like fractions will be 2 upon 12 and 1 upon 12. When you will add them, you will get 3 upon 12. Now 3 upon 12 is not in the lowest form, so you have to make it in the lowest form, which is 1 upon 4. Okay, so the answer is 1 upon 4. This what I have done with the green sketch, you can see, is just for the verification whether your sums are correct or not. Now you have done addition of the answers. It is coming 1 by 4. Now for cross checking, you can just do subtraction of these two numbers and it will also come as 1 by 4. As you can see, 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12 is equal to 3 upon 12 it is coming, which is again 1 by 4. So this way you have to complete the first box also. Okay, now we'll see few other sums. Okay, now you can see we have done this word problem, which is 6, where it was given that the total length, a wire which was of length 7 by 8 meter, it was broken into two pieces. One piece was of length 1 by 4 meter, and the question is what is the length of other piece? How long is the other piece? So length of other piece is the total length 7 by 8 minus 1 upon 4. So this is just the subtraction of like fractions which you have already done, only word problem is given. So simply 8 and 4 का LCM आपका आ जाएगा 8. So this first fraction will remain as it is. Second fraction you will convert and the answer will be 5 by 8 meter. That means length of other piece is 5 by 8 meter. So 7th question and 8th question. 7th question is similar to 6. You have to go through it and solve it. 8th and 9th are same, which are comparison questions. So out of those two I am doing the 9th question. 8th you will do by your own. Okay. What is given to you? Jaydev takes 2 and 1 by 5 minutes to cover from home to school. Okay. So first of all you will convert it in improper fraction. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Answer will be 11 upon 5 minutes. And time taken by the Rahul is 7 by 4 minutes. So answer is who takes less time and by how much. So this is very simple. You have to compare. आपको comparison पता है कैसे करना है. You can compare two fractions only when they are like. So since they are not like, first you have to convert them in like fraction. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. I have written over here. So 11 upon 5 will become 44 upon 20. And 7 upon 4 will become 35 upon 20. That means Jaydev is taking the time 44 by 20 minutes. Rahul is taking time 35 by 20 minutes. Okay. So obviously कौन सा ज़्यादा time ले रहा है? Jaydev. And Rahul is taking less time. So the answer will be Rahul takes less time. And what is the difference? Simply just subtract 44 upon 20 minus 35 upon 20, which is 9 upon 20 minutes. यानी कि राहुल जयदेव से कम टाइम लेता है और कितना कम? 9 by 20. So this way you have to complete the exercise 7.6. Okay, you have holiday, we have Saturday and Sunday. So complete this exercise, and if any doubts will be there, you will be asking me on Monday in online class. So thank you. That's all for today.